Hello friends, I am life designer Vijay Tushar and today is such a beautiful day. Everywhere all the South Indians are celebrating Onam. And I thought it's the best time to speak about mindfulness. So what exactly is mindfulness? Mindfulness is being present in the moment. Right now, in this moment, you're present and you're aware about whatever is happening, and there is no judgment. You're fully present and aware to absorb the energies of the nature and to attend to the feelings that you feel and not judge it. So, just being in the moment and being thankful and grateful and being very conscious about what you're doing is called as mindfulness. How does mindfulness help? Mindfulness helps you from preventing you to react, and it helps you to take that pause and then respond with grace. So there are three things if you wish to practice mindfulness. The first one is intention. Have the intention to be aware of the stark truth and the reality that is present before you. The second one is attention. So give attention to what exactly is happening to you now. What are you feeling? Are you able to breathe in the beauty of this place? Are you able to feel the sensations of the wet rain that's just about to fall? Are you able to feel that feeling somewhere deep within you, maybe onto your knees, your heart, your chest, or any part which is slightly disturbing to you? So the second part is paying attention. And the third part is the attitude. So do you have the attitude to be non-judgmental? For example, right now, that little irritation that I'm feeling in my knee is a doubt as to whether my health problems are going to be an impediment in my goal of inspiring 1 billion plus people to transform to their best versions. Yes. Let me accept myself completely for not doing everything that I can to pursue my goal. But yes, it's an intention that is being given at this moment that I will move forward. And I'm not going to criticize myself for not having done what I should have done, because what I did was the best at that particular point of time. That was all that I could do. So, as in the Gita, they say, whatever is happening is the best. Whatever happened was the best, and whatever will happen will be the best. So, are you going to practice mindfulness? Three things I told you. One is intention, second is attention, and third is attitude. So, intent to be present in the moment, enjoy the feelings, be aware of yourself, pay attention to everything that you need to resolve. And thirdly, have the attitude of being non judgmental and accepting of everything and everyone. Whatever is happening is the best. जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है, जो होगा वो भी अच्छा होगा, और जो हो गया वो भी अच्छा था. Stay blessed. This is life designer Vijay Tushar signing off for now. And yes, I win, then you win.